Yo, what's up, Moli Bwanji? Bueno, Dilly Bueno. Lero, this, yeah. Mr. Maseko said I should react to this one. Ziko Mokombiri for the suggestion. It's Theresa Phondo, one of my favorite artists out there. Christian gospel artist from Malawi. Okay, so I'm excited for this one. Testimony, and then I'm gonna react to her other song as well because, you know, why not? Let's get to it. If you're here for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel, okay? And then hit that like button as well for the algorithm. Also, go check out Theresa Phondo's YouTube page. She has beautiful videos, beautiful music as well. So yeah. Beautiful, man. Hey, how come I've never seen this song? Have I?
I got a testimony, I got a story to tell, and the blessings all over me.
Hey.
See, plenty money. Poti mwini wasiliva, yes, and the golly day. I am praising the living God. I see colors on me, cause I've been feeling the worst, but God is the best. They are my oh, I see colors on me, cause I've been feeling the worst, but God is
Yo, where is that? That is beautiful wherever she shot this video. And the grass was green. I see they put a little board there because, you know, the grass was so tall. So beautiful, man. Big up to the videographers who are doing these videos for her. You guys are doing a tremendous job, you know what I mean? So how do I say beautiful in Chichewa? Hey. Whoa, and she can dance.
Testimony, understand my joy. Emmanuel, that is true, boy, all enough, and you'll never leave.
It's true, he has his slippers. Hey, I don't know, I've seen this video, man, or the song. What?
Oh, I see colors on me, cause I've been feeling the worst, but that is the best. They are my summer look the way that I get more.
The dance moves. It's so clear. Like, I don't know how Theresa Phondo, how big she is out there in Malawi, but wow, the quality of this video, just the quality. Like, if you're watching this now and maybe you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out the actual video on her YouTube page, then you will know. Like, this is like a huge artist type of production, you know what I mean? So, man, it's beautiful. It's the wardrobe, the video, the location, yeah. Hey.
The way that I get more. Oh, yeah. I say, Bamtima, eh, Babamtima, Wanga, Umayamika, Ndika Unako Mwandi Jotsa ine.
Yeah. What's this at night? Malawi is beautiful, you guys. That's a beautiful video. That is like one of the most beautiful videos I've seen in a minute, honestly. Like, I'm not just saying that, I guess, for anything. It's just the colors. It's funny she mentions the colors in the song. But yeah, man, thank you so much for watching this. Thank you so much, Mr. Maseko, for requesting this one. Zikomo Kwambiri, yeah, you guys, yo, okay. Now I'm eager to see the next video I'm about to react to. If you want to see that video as well, do not go any further. Just check it out with me right here. If you're here for the first time, I don't know if I said this earlier, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on the channel. See you guys on the other side. Bye.